There is one market that I believe is starting a really big drop in the market and could turn into a crash. But also there is one market out there that I believe is getting ready for a set to having a really big bull move. Let's get into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so the first market that I want to cover here with you today, the one that I believe is set to have a really big move on the downside. I've actually mentioned this in my last few videos, but I want to give you guys an update on this, and that is oil. Oil, I honestly believe now that we are getting ready for a really, really big drop to the downside, and we're starting to roll over here. You see these daily charts, right? High, a lower high, and a lower high. So we're in this downward trending motion through here, right? And we continue. I believe we're continuing this downward move from here. So I really, honestly believe that we're actually starting to see this downward leg from here. So high, lower high, but then also on the real big picture on this weekly chart here, look what we're seeing from here. Okay, we've had this big, nice triangle pattern through here. We've had this overall that sort of pattern going on as well too, right? From there to there, as you can see, and we've been squeezing up now for all this time. And now, as you can see, the big break is actually starting now. If I open up this from a daily perspective, right, you can see how now we're just starting to break out now. So I do believe that this is the start of a really, really big drop in oil. This actually could start to see. Now, this to me is predicting that Trump is going to be elected, right? Because if Trump's elected, then drill baby drill, and so on and so forth. So is this a bit of a warning or a bit of an alert to say that oil is likely to, that Trump's likely to be elected? Okay, so let's actually do this here. So what we need to do now is I want to go share with you gold, right? So gold to me right now is indeed setting up really, really, really nicely for a potential up move. So I was talking about this today with my coaching clients, and one thing I was talking to them about was that we've had this really, really, really strong up leg from here. But look at this here. Look what's happening here. Okay, we've got this point through here, and we've got also this point all through here. We're just holding here really, really, really nicely when it comes to this gold chart from here, right? So a big up move from here, sideways all through here right now. So this actually could be setting up. So gold right now, if we start to get some sort of strong move to like a strong breakout from here, that could be the start of, I see gold going towards 3,000 up here. So especially coming off the back, because whenever gold does go through these periods, and what I mean by these periods is whenever we do go through these many months of sideways, we tend to go for big moves. Now we've been doing many, actually, yeah, as you can see, a lot of months just going sideways, and now we're just breaking out. So because we're doing this a lot of time going sideways, and now we're just starting to break out, gold could be getting ready for a really, really nice move to the upside. And so it's just the big thing about these two from here is that, as you can see, that one of the biggest things for your trading is don't have a view on the markets at all, right? So I just see what the market's telling me, and then we go from there. So to me, once again, I see oil right now is really, really, really starting to break down from here, and I do see oil is possibly getting ready for a really big drop now. It's been squeezing up. We're just breaking out now, so oil is getting ready for a big move on the downside. And then also gold right now is holding really, really, really strongly through here. We've been in a very strong upward trend. We've been going sideways from here, and I do see that's likely to spend some time going to the upside. So that's it for me today, guys. Traders, if you'd like to learn my actual trading system and exactly how I trade the markets, then there should be a link in the description there. If you'd like to become a coaching client of mine, then there should be a link in the description there, guys, with all the details to that. Speak to you soon, guys.